Okay, as you can see, it clearly says extra small here. I ordered a small. If you look here, under this UPC, it says light purple small. So under this UPC, they think it's small, but it's not. It's extra small. So sad. I really, really, really like this. But I don't have a dog this tiny.
So what do you think, Evie? Are y'all done? Are ya? You want to go in? Do you want a chewy treat? Oh, yeah. You want a chewy treat? Yes. Whoops. Don't choke on it. Go for it. Okay, let's go get a chewy treat.